Who doesn't love a bowl of creamy aromatic kheer? A sheer delight, isn't it? Today I have a special one for you, Anjeer Kheer. Hello, this is Ruchi Bharani and welcome to Rajshri Food, your ultimate destination for 100% vegetarian recipes. And let the treat begin. When it comes to kheer, the quality and the purity of the milk is of paramount importance, and I trust only Country Delight's 100% pure cow milk because the natural yellow color of this milk proves that this milk is pure, making this a perfect match for my perfect kheer. So I have 1 liter of cow milk here, but before I add it into the pot, I need to cook a few other ingredients. So let's turn on the flame. Into this, I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of ghee. Once the ghee starts to melt, into this I'm going to add 15 almonds that I've soaked for about 3 hours, deskinned, and then I've slivered them into flakes. So let's lightly roast these. Next I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons of rice that I washed and soaked for an hour. Cook the rice for a few seconds. It's time to add Country Delight's pure and fresh cow milk, and I'm using a liter of it. 1/4 teaspoon of saffron that I've soaked in 1 tablespoon of lukewarm water for about 15 minutes. Add in all the strands as well. And now let this boil. While the milk is boiling, let's grind some dry figs or anjeer. So I've taken about 15 anjeers that I just roughly chopped, and I've soaked it in a little bit of water. Out of those 15, 3 of them I've chopped them into smaller pieces, and the remaining are still in the water. And now I'm going to drain the water and grind it into a paste. Try not to take the water. So I've soaked these anjeers for about 3 hours. Let's grind this into a paste. Let's check on this. It has to be a smooth paste. Make sure there are no pieces of the anjeer, and if you're having a hard time to grind this, you can always add in just a little bit of water. I think I'm going to add in a dash. So you can take the same anjeer water and add it in, just a little bit. Let's grind this once again. This paste is nice and it's ready. I'm going to check on the rice now. There's very little rice compared to the quantity of milk because I want the anjeer to stand out and give the body to the kheer. The rice seems to be cooked. And now I'm going to add the anjeer paste. Mix it well. Make sure there are no lumps of the paste in the milk. After adding the anjeer paste, let the milk simmer for at least a good 7 to 8 minutes. One thumb rule for any kheer is patience. You need to let it cook till it comes to the right consistency. I'm also going to add in some sugar, so about 6 to 7 tablespoons as per your liking. Well, I would have said that all good things take time, but that's not the case, at least with the cow milk used in this recipe. After adding the anjeer paste, make sure you don't boil this for very long because there are chances that the milk will curdle. Keep stirring. Let's add in one last ingredient, which is cardamom powder. So 1/2 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Give it a stir. You know what? Country Delight delivers fresh cow milk delivered to your doorstep within a few hours of milking. This ensures you get the natural taste of the milk, which enhances the flavor of the dish. For example, this kheer, and I surely can't wait to dig in. You can serve this kheer chilled or warm, choice is yours. Time to garnish this delicious bowl of kheer. So I have a few pieces chopped of the soaked anjeer or the dry figs, some almond flakes, some pistachio flakes, and some rose petals. Thanks to Country Delight cow milk, my Anjeer Kheer has turned out just the way I wanted it to be. Now I'm going to enjoy my treat time while you download the Country Delight app and subscribe to Fresh Cow Milk now and get 100% cash back on your first recharge. After all, you deserve a treat time too, don't you?